You slept for 8 hours. You didn't run a marathon. You didn't fight a bear. Yet, you wake up feeling like you've been hit by a truck. You drag yourself out of bed, your brain feels like fog, and you spend the rest of the day chugging coffee just to survive. Why is your battery always empty? Most people think they are just not morning people. But the truth is, you are biologically confused. Here are the 5 reasons you are always tired, and exactly how to fix them. Reason number 1, the snooze button. Your sleep happens in cycles of about 90 minutes. You go from light sleep, down into deep sleep, and back up. If your alarm goes off at the end of a cycle, your brain is already near the surface. Waking up is easy, but when you hit snooze, you trick your brain into starting a new sleep cycle. You are telling your body, okay, we're going back deep. Then, 10 minutes later, the alarm screams again. You are waking up from deep sleep. This is called sleep inertia. It's like trying to start a cold car engine in the middle of winter. It takes hours for the fog to clear. The fix? Set your alarm for when you actually need to get up. And never, ever hit snooze. Reason number 2, you don't understand caffeine. Throughout the day, a chemical called adenosine builds up in your brain. When it plugs into your receptors, you feel tired. Caffeine doesn't give you energy. It's an imposter. It blocks the adenosine from parking. It just hides the tiredness. But the adenosine doesn't go away. It keeps building up in the background. So when the caffeine wears off, crash. You get hit with all that tiredness at once. The fix? Wait 90 minutes after waking up before your first coffee. Let your body clear out the morning adenosine naturally first. Reason number 3, the dopamine drain. If the first thing you do in the morning is check your phone, you are frying your brain. You are blasting your mind with high dopamine information before you've even brushed your teeth. This sets your stimulation baseline sky high. Now, normal life, like working, studying, or cleaning, feels boring and exhausting by comparison. You aren't physically tired, you are motivationally tired. Reason number 4, the sedentary paradox. You think that to save energy, you should rest. But the body works the opposite way. When you don't move, your body signals to your cells, we are not hunting. We are not gathering. Shut down the power plant to conserve resources. To create energy, you must spend energy. A 5-minute walk in the morning tells your body, we are awake. Fire up the engines. Finally, reason number 5. You are dried out. You lose a massive amount of water while you sleep just by breathing. When you wake up, your blood is thick. Your heart has to work double time to pump that sludge to your brain. Before you touch coffee, before you touch food, drink 500 milliliters of water. It is the cheapest energy drink on earth. Stop fighting your biology. If you want to wake up fully charged, try this protocol for the next 3 days. 1. No snooze. 2. Drink water immediately. 3. Get sunlight or movement within 10 minutes. 4. No coffee for the first 90 minutes. Life is too short to be tired. Fix your mornings, and you fix your life. Thanks for watching.